Okay, here we have a vintage Superlectric 20-inch box fan. This was a trash find years ago. As you may notice, it has a Lakewood Bladeset in it. I believe when I found it, the original Bladeset was broken, and I just slapped a spare Bladeset I had laying around in it, so at least so it would work. It has one of those plastic motors. You know, it still runs perfectly. I just gave it some oil. I haven't cleaned it yet. And this is one of the fans I will need to restore. As you can see, I made a wooden handle because the other one was missing. I built this handle myself years ago. Model 2023B Superlectric. See label. High, medium, low. 2.8 amps. Get a quick shot of the back before I fire it up. See, plastic motor set. Yes, I know it's dirty. It's been in this shed for 6 years. I'm just now getting around to maintaining these. I already got paint to restore the Kmart and Emerson Electric. These will be later. So you can see it's rusty, especially on the bottom, so this will get sanded and painted eventually. Anyway, we'll start it up on high. Medium. Low. Rattles because this screw's missing. Setting down from low. Start it up on low. Hasn't been used in 6 years, so it's going to be a little hesitant. I did oil it with Zoom Spout. Everyone keeps telling me I need to use that, so I bought it online because no place around here carries this stuff. You know, apparently only specialty stores. You know, Home Depot, Lowe's, obviously they don't carry it. So I got it on eBay for like $1.49 a bottle plus $5 shipping, so I ordered 4 bottles to make it worth my while. So I oiled this with Zoom Spout, both bearings. It'll take it a while to soak in. But I do plan on painting this. It'll be stripped down, painted, cleaned and everything. Especially that Kmart, which you see right there, that's rusty as hell. That'll be stripped down and painted. One fan at a time. Let's see if it has a startup sound. Wait for it to come to a stop. I'll start it up on low. Usually that, if anything, if it has a startup sound, that'll give it the most. Let's do a spin down time for medium. A little bit dented at the top. That can be hammered out. Other than the blades and the handle, everything's original on here. Thanks for watching.